This is where the magic happens. So we build and we destroy and we just test. We have the robots here. They'll do sweeping, mopping. We have different floors for different styles of homes. You can guide the robot arm to say, do this kind of motion, and you can have it repeat that for a continuous cycle of however much you need. They destroy them. We have a freezer. We freeze the products. We see if they're brittle or not. We have a 3D printer. We make new parts and we test them. We try to make sure they don't break. Depending which part of the department you're in, one department will be like, if something's breaking, you're going to go investigate it. You're going to say, why is it breaking? How do we prevent this breakage? There's another part where it's like, well, it's not breaking? Good, but why is it not breaking? Let's keep doing that. So you come in every day and you can either make new products that are as reliable as the previous ones or improve on a product. So you look at a cleaning product, you're like, okay, it's a broom, it's a mop. It's been around for 1,000 years, what are you going to do to it? A big mentality could be, if it does not broke, don't fix it. We really brainstorm as a team. It's not always a solo project. We think of a million solutions and we narrow it down to one. And it's not always easy to say this is the right way to go, but eventually you have to decide and you got to make a good product. I like having it be in my own hands and seeing an idea come to life and actually work for other customers, especially when you go to the store and you say, wow, we put a lot of time into this and people are happy. When you read the reviews and all that stuff, that's what I really like.